it with your fingers like 3.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Open our Mini Brands mini fridge with us. So I ordered this Mini Brands mini fridge off of eBay, and the girls and I are gonna open it up, and we have some balls to open too. Okay, and this one is from Target, so it has specialty stuff in the mini fridge, not like the ones you get at Walmart or anywhere else. Target has like special mini food. So here's the fridge.
ASMR, we're gonna try this again.
Nice.
ASMR.
Ooh. Okay, I can't wait to see what specialty food we got. And girls, this has like the, you know how we got the ones where you can make the food? This has the UV lighting in it where you put it in here and it cooks it when you make the food.
Cool.
I know.
What's that cover thing?
See, I'm just not. I'm not good at this part. Okay, so we're gonna open our mini fridge and see what secrets we got. Oh, okay, the containers. Okay, and then the little containers inside.
Aww, that's so cute.
With the light on. Nice. Okay, so we're gonna put the fridge where people can see it, I think, like that. All right, girls, go ahead and, oh wait, we gotta open these, so I'll move it out of the way for a second. Okay, girls, pick what you want to open.
This one. This one? It's big like my back.
Oh, okay, we get some, we're gonna make something.
Ooh.
Okay, these are just our instructions. Okay, this goes in the fridge.
We might have to like open them all together. Like.
Oh yeah, you want to? We'll open these ones and we'll save the yellow one. Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. I got one. And I got some muffins.
Oh, this is so cute. Look at this.
Oh, you got the drawers. Okay. Okay, and I got the little...
I got
you got the ice cream scooper. Oh, yeah, no poppy soda. Oh, no, I'm dropping my oranges.
And I got a little scooper, I think ice.
Cute.
And I got a watermelon magnet.
Okay, Sophia. Oh, you want to put it on? Go ahead and
Yes.
put the watermelon magnet on.
Oh, okay.
It's okay, pick it up.
Right here.
Cute. Of course, you know I got moved out of well because I got problems. Okay, Sophia is gonna put all her drawers. Oh, you got the egg thing, so that like goes up on the top, I think, from what I've seen.
Difficulties.
Okay, that's all right.
This is different.
Put these in.
Can I have the scissors?
I don't know where they are. Okay, these slide right in.
Okay. These are adorable. This one's strawberry vanilla flavored.
Cute.
Little soda. Is that what I can eat it?
No.
No, it's a drink.
Okay.
Where's the other ones?
I'll put them in here.
Oh.
Okay, so there you go. Put these little.
Like,
I guess we should let Sawyer put one on
I
too.
don't know how to.
No, turn it. Yep, like that. You got it the right way. Yep.
Like on top. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, you see, like the drawer. So let Sawyer. Yeah, you can do that one, and then let
do
Sawyer.
this one.
Okay.
Okay, and then Sawyer can do this.
Yep. If I break it. Oh.
Oh wait, we gotta put the shelf right there.
Yeah, up
Can
on
I
top
put
of
the
this.
shelf
Yeah,
there?
go ahead.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay, so then this goes there at the bottom.
Jeez. There we go.
Okay, so our fridge is assembled. Oh wait, you gotta put, why don't you put your soda in the shelf? Because that's what we gotta do.
Adorable.
Okay, and then there is we can also collect ice. So down here is the ice. So you should put the ice scoop in the, oh shoot, we're supposed to show people this.
So I'm gonna open this
Yep.
drawer, if it lets me. And then
need
I'm
that.
just gonna put the little spoon in there. Adorable. Bye-bye.
Okay, and now we're gonna make our little jello, our orange. Oh, we got more stuff. Oh, these are the specialty ones. Oh, no. Oh, these are the, I didn't realize in the yellow packet it was the specialty stuff. Hurry, girls, sit back down.
There's another little soda.
Oh, okay, look. Okay, so we got a classic root beer.
Vintage Coca-Cola.
Oh, what are those Chinese soda thingies?
Oh yeah, those are so good.
They are so good.
Try the classic, it's delicious.
We got some Mike's Hot Honey. Okay. And girls, the pizza box is open, so go ahead and open it and see what pizza we got. Don't, that opens like there, you see that? You gotta pull the
How do you
corner
even
up.
open? Oh, that's how you do it.
Yeah, I can't do it.
Alright, I'll try. Oops.
It's hard.
Oh, it is hard.
Maybe that little sticky thing has to come off.
I think you're doing it the wrong way.
No,
Oh no, you're
Girl,
not.
bye, I'm not.
I think you have to peel that little thing first. Maybe. There we go.
Oh, we got a Supreme pizza. We got the Supreme.
Because we are so
Okay, now we have to put this stuff in the fridge. So you girls go ahead and you can put the things in the fridge.
Did they go on?
Make sure
I'm doing the Coke.
when you do it, you should face the labels forward because I have problems.
Jelly beans on the counter.
Girl, me too.
The soda.
Why is it up there? It never gets up there.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Jeez.
Pizza and
around.
hot sauce.
There.
Okay, Sophia, go ahead and put your little.
So the little hot sauce. It's gonna go right there.
Cute.
Don't you want to do one?
Does
No,
the-
go ahead,
does
girls,
the
you do
pizza
it.
go in there or no?
Yep, the pizza goes in the fridge too. People like put them on the shelves. Put it wherever you
I'll
want.
put it right here. So cute. Okay, we're just gonna
There
slide
we
the
go.
pizza in right there.
I feel like all the sodas should be this. Like,
Okay,
that one.
I am gonna. Like, how about on the shelf, like leftover?
You said in the drawer.
No, I didn't say in the drawer.
You said people.
Oh no, where did the sodas fall?
That's okay. Push it back.
Oh,
That's all right. We'll fix it when we open it
Tumbled.
again. Okay, now let's.